Hi everyone, we are going to look at Windows today here. So shortcut WN, and we will set some windows in our exercise drawing. So here in the family window we have a category which is Windows SGL plane, and under this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types. The first is the width, the second is the height of the window of our element. So we place one square one. When we get nearer to the wall, we see that this symbol of warning is disappearing, and our hosted element, which needs a wall to that hosts it in order to function, is appearing. So we can define directly shifting a little bit up or down our cursor, which is the window side. I want to be exterior, and I click. So very easily, it's all a matter of draw and then change. Here there are some temporary measurements, and I want my window to be at just 1 meter from the wall. So I click on my temporary dimension, I type 1000 and then enter. And if I should change my mind about the interior or exterior orientation, it's just clicking here. Okay, click again here and it's back. So now another window. So a larger one. And now I want it here. Still want distance between the corner wall of 1000. I click in here and I type 1000 millimeter. Here I've done something wrong. Just clicking on the double arrow and is mirroring. The point is, this is to mirror left or right, but doesn't seem to change a lot in this case. So let's do the case that we need 1200 wide window. What do we do then? So we click on another type, and then we go on here on edit type on the property palette. This is a very important command. It's a very important area on the property palette. When we have defined a type, we can edit the type to change some parameter. So we click on it, and first of all, before messing up with a Revit library, we duplicate. So duplicate, another good name would be new, because here we are gonna type the width that I want, so 1200 sharp, and I can cancel this too. And now I want to differentiate a little bit, just not to be the same number. Here I will have 1500 instead. Okay. Okay. Now the name has changed, but all the rest is same as before. So width, I go here and I set 1200 as I wanted, and the height here I set a very high one, and everything is good to go. The height and width has interacted with the rough width and the rough height. All the rest of the remaining parameters are fine for me. And type mark, it's a typical name of the element, would like to be then 51. And I go for OK. So now in my list I have one more type, and we can see here that Revit is putting in a list with as first reference the width, so drawing parameter width, and here it is. Here is my new type. I'm selecting it and placing here some here. Then I want to face exterior. I click on the double arrow, and as usual I want to have 1000 millimeter, 1 meter from the upper wall. And this is practically everything about having a family of windows and changing it.